If you would like to get more confident with short rows, in particular short row color work, and want to learn how to read short row color work charts, then this is the club for you. This season, we are looking at short row color work. Now, you may not have heard that before. You probably have heard of short rows. Generally speaking, short rows are used to shape the fabric, but in this case, we are actually using short rows to manipulate the color itself. So the technique is all based on garter stitch because you've got shorter rows combined with short rows, German short rows specifically, which are very straightforward to work and it is easy to hide in garter stitch. And then you create a balanced fabric by, if you're creating a motif in a color on one side, then you have to fill in the other sections with short row on the other side so that every stitch gets worked the same number of rows so that everything is balanced as you go up. So that is the key to short row color work, making sure everything is worked the same number of times so everything is balanced out. It's really fun and it creates the most beautiful color works. Now let's take a look at the inspiration behind the design. This is where it all started. This is Woolly Wormhead's book, Short Row Colorwork Knitting, where they have a series of motifs that they've developed and they give you some how-to on how to actually create it. They asked me to create a design and my design for it was the Calathea scarf, which uses a series of leaves and stripe patterns. So it's a really interesting way of working and it kind of, the techniques aren't difficult because it's garter stitch and it's short rows. The part where you have to pay attention is to make sure things are balanced and to watch that if you've got one short row over here, that the other side fits in. So it feels like a little bit like a geometric puzzle is the best way to put it. But I actually had so much fun working with the technique that I wanted to develop it further and it seemed perfect for a season's workshop where I was able to talk through all of the different parts that I thought that you need to pay attention to and the areas that are easy to trip up on. So they're all of the things that's going to be covered when we work through our scarf pattern in the season. So now we're coming to the actual design itself. This is the Ogham Wave Scarf, and in the yarn kit for the season you actually have enough to create 2 scarves, but you can see that they're inverses. You've got one where the dark color is the background and the one over here, the light color, is the background. Because you don't use a huge amount of the contrast color, it allows you to do 2 of them, just inverting the colors in each. So it's a really wearable scarf. It's a skinny little scarf, which actually means that you can wrap it around like this and it's long enough with the tails to actually tie in the front. You begin at the tip with some increases and I-cord edges. Then you work into the first motif where you've got alternating stripes that are increasing in width as you go up. Then when you reach the full width, you're doing the tulipino pattern across here with the I-cords being worked all the way across. And when you finish that straight section, you then come to the alternating stripe again, but you're decreasing down to the tip this time. With this, you can also adjust the length as you go because you know how much yarn you're going to use here. You can actually go ahead and weigh it, check to see how much of each color you use, and that's going to be what you'll need to reserve for the end. And then you can adjust how many repeats you work of this as you go through. So it's very adjustable, and when we're going through the pattern, I'll talk about some of the little pitfalls that you'll want to avoid as you're working your way through. So let's take a look now at what's actually included in the club. So there are 2 ways of joining. The first one is a digital only, where you get all of the digital content, and that will include the pattern, the video workshop, access to our Zoom launch party, and our exclusive private forum on KnitUp, where you can chat with other knitters and ask us any questions you might have along the way. So in the workshop, what you're going to be learning this time around is how to work German short rows if you haven't done them before. The big section is taking a look at the short row color work charts, which are quite different to a lot of other charts because of the fact that the rows are different and they're being worked back and forth from each side. So we'll spend a bit of time looking at that. We'll also take a look at the techniques you'll need to introduce colours at the start of a row and also at the end of a row, and to kind of see the kind of problems that might crop up and head them off before you get to them. So that's what is going to be covered within the workshop and for the digital section. Now, if you want the full club, there are two ways of buying that. You can either get a single installment, just buy the actual Spring Seasons Club, or you can opt for a rolling subscription, which will give you a 10% discount, and every 4 months you will be billed for the next season as it comes along. But you can cancel as you go along, or you can pause it if an upcoming season isn't something that you're going to want to work on. So in the full club, what you're going to get is everything that's in the digital, and you're going to get the yarn for the club. So the yarn this year is Life in the Long Grass Twist DK. So it is a high twist superwash 100% merino yarn. You'll get 2 skeins, 1 in each colour, and it's lovely and plump and fat, so very, very good for working garter stitch. All you've got to decide is whether you want the seasonal colour or the subtle colourway or the bright colourway. The rest of the items are going to remain the same. The only difference is going to be the colour of the yarns you get. If you're in a rolling subscription, you can go and change which option you want as you go through. So getting one right now isn't going to set it into the future. So if this sounds like something you want to do, watch out. It's going to be launching on the 1st of February and it's going to be open until the 14th of February. At that point it closes, we put all our orders in, and then in March we're going to ship off the kits for the full club. The pattern and the workshop are both going to launch on the 1st of April, and shortly after that we will have our live Zoom party. So those are all the important dates. Put them in the calendar. If you would like to get more confident with short rows, in particular short row color work, and want to learn how to read short row color work charts, then this is the club for you. So make sure you're signed up for a newsletter so that you will be the first to know about it. You'll find the sign up down below.